Stephen, an excellent turnaround. How did you manage it?
I think we had to show a lot of character. We had to raise a little bit at half time, but we felt a little bit hard done by to be trailing at half time. We thought after the first 45 minutes we should have been at least level, but we found ourselves one down, so we needed to give an extra 10%.
What was the message from the manager, in essence, at half time?
Keep doing what you're doing and a little bit more belief, take a few more risks in their final third, and it come off today.
Do you think the timing of the equaliser also helped you too? Almost caught them cold?
Yeah, of course. I mean, after the manager spoke, that's what you need to do, go out after half time and score as early as you can, and that gives us the belief and confidence to go on and win the game.
A slightly different formation in midfield too. How did you find that today?
Yeah, it was fine. I mean, we've been doing that all season, flipping it from two holders to one in front, to one holder and two in front, so we have the personnel in the squad to adapt to whatever the manager asks for.
Obviously, you got the winner with a penalty, but also a crucial diving header on the goal line. Tell us about that.
Well, one of my close friends actually said to me before the game, he was giving me stick about my head and said that I might score the winner with my head today. The penalty was the winner, but I think the header actually won us the game, so he was right in the end.
Are you claiming the hairstyle helped with the header?
Well, that's what the celebration was about, so yeah.
What is the target for Liverpool this season now?
Just to win every game. We want to finish as high as we can. If we can, maybe nick 5th or 6th, that's what we want to try and do.
Well, you didn't nick it because you fully deserved it. You're the Barclays man of the match today. Well done, Stephen.
Cheers, thank you.